Wait, did you know that snoring can kill you indirectly? Let me explain to you. But this video will not play until you tap subscribe and like. Let's back to the story. Loud or frequent snoring can be a symptom of sleep apnea, a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. This lack of oxygen can strain the heart and increase the risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and heart attack, ultimately leading to death. Imagine your throat as a tunnel for air. When you sleep, the muscles in your throat relax and the tunnel can get narrower. If it gets too narrow, air struggles to pass through, causing the soft tissues to vibrate and create the snoring sound. Now imagine that tunnel completely closing off for a few seconds. This is what happens in sleep apnea. The airway is blocked and breathing stops.